So, Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Malayaka Iqbal and I am from Gorakhpur, UP. I have joined this institute recently in June and I have learned many about Deen in this 4 or 5 months. MashaAllah, this institute take me more closer to Deen. Before joining this institute, I cannot read a single word, but after many classes, I had learned about duas, about masail, and also about hadith and seerats of Quran. And I'm really thankful to Aisha ma'am that she is really supportive and she is a really great teacher, that she teaches like a friend. I think she is really good teacher, or you can say friend, and she always support me in everything. My pronunciation before this is really bad. I had improved my pronunciation and now I can read some dua with acceptable pronunciations. So I am really thankful to Aisha ma'am. Jazakallah khair.